say something stupid, I blow him like a fucking whistle. This a letter to my haters, I never miss you. Chopper sitting on my lap is kicking like ninjutsu. Fill his body up with lead, I ain't talking pencils. Come and dump your ass out while we in a rental. Come and do this shit on purpose and no accidentals. Switch it up on these niggas like a TV channel. That's another nigga on the news, thinking it's a joke. Nah, bitch, this ain't April Fools. All my brothers like McKinnis, cause they keep them twos. Hollow 223s made him fly out his Christian lube. Fat player ass nigga never needed handouts. Chased after a bag, so I had to take the mail route. 13, fuck the grown bitch with her kids out. 14, I was dumping smack out of her sister house. They like, so see what you been on. Shit, I been coolin' with my family with the motherfucking heat on. Niggas back talking. I don't care about what he on, cause he'll get his knockin' bust open with his V-long. For Jeff, simple as that, nigga, fuck the rest. Come and bust his heart open like a treasure chest. I ain't come here to stunt or came to flex. I came to show these fuck niggas how to grab a check. Nigga, fuck nigga, do it the right way, not the